Okay, so now we're going to hold the low hoop. Just breathe deeply and gently. Let's raise that hoop shoulder height. Good. Good. Drop the elbows, holding a small ball between the palms. Just I'm going to turn to the side so you can see how far apart, the height of the fingers, all of that kind of position. Good. Let's bring the elbows out, turn the palms over, straighten your arms, your legs, and your spine. You want to stand tall, but you want to have no muscular tension, so tall but relaxed. Breathing gently. Good. Straighten the wrist, extend the fingers towards the floor, the arms kind of drape off your shoulders. Good. Deep breathing. Excellent.